Hi, this is Lyle again. Check out my website. You can sign up for notifications of future events, so stay tuned for the notification of the vendor showcase. While doing that, we're going to do an eggs. Want to show you one of the benefits of grain orientation. All right, the grain is running parallel to the bed of the lathe here, and when we're cutting supported fibers, we always go from large diameter to small. And that'll give us the cleanest cut that we don't have to sand very much. If you can watch the cut happening here. Egg shape is, you can't go wrong with an egg shape because there's no two eggs that are like, so easy to do an egg shape. So that's the correct way to the grain. Now what happens if I go the incorrect way and I'm going uphill now to the fibers? You're going to make it harder to make a cut. See all the torn out grain, all the fuzz. Which would I rather sand? This is nice and clean, and that's going the wrong way to the grain. See you next time.